How do I share my Setmore calendar? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing a quick tutorial on how to share your Setmore calendar. This is a great way to collaborate with your team, clients, or anyone else who needs to see your availability. What is Setmore? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Setmore is. Setmore is a cloud-based scheduling and booking platform that helps you manage your appointments and events. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it's easy to use and affordable. How to share your Setmore calendar. Now that we know what Setmore is, let's get started on how to share your calendar. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Sharing. Click on the Share Calendar button. Enter the email address of the person you want to share your calendar with. Select the permissions you want to give to the person you're sharing your calendar with. Click on the Save button. Once you've shared your calendar, the person you shared it with will be able to see your availability and book appointments with you. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for sharing your Setmore calendar. You can share your calendar with multiple people. You can set different permissions for different people. You can share your calendar with specific time ranges. You can share your calendar with people outside of your company. Sharing your Setmore calendar is a great way to collaborate with your team, clients, or anyone else who needs to see your availability. It's easy to do, and it's a great way to save time and improve your productivity. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to share your Setmore calendar. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. I'll see you next time.